I've been dragged in here today to cook once more. And I'll probably be doing this a lot more. What are we going to be making today? Well, today the recipe that I've discovered is a burnt cheesecake. Just some cool dish that apparently is quite good. Because burning things is good. Burn everything. I got my mixing bowl here. I also got my Black Decker mixer, but we're going to put that to the side for now. We're going to start putting in some of the cream cheese, and I'm using one packet, which is 250 grams. So just plop one of them in there. Bum, bum. Well, take our little mixer, using the whisk attachment, probably a better one I can use, but I don't really know much about whisks. Oh boy. Next up, sugar. It's icing sugar. You should probably use normal sugar, but this is what we got. This is what we're working with. Add more. Just gradually. Right. Oh. In goes the last bit. Next up, eggs. I have a bunch of eggs inside this mug, which you drink water from. These are about, I think, what, 6 eggs? I'll put something up there if I'm wrong. And then 1 egg yolk. So we're going to start adding, I'll add like 1 right now. Woo! This is a slightly different colored one. It's time for our final egg. Alright, now that we've got it into such a creamy little, more liquidy creation, we're going to go on to the other ingredient stage, the kind of cool ingredients, but they don't fit in with the rest of the crowd, so, you know, leave them to sit and eat lunch alone. This is the salt. It's a teaspoon. Mix it in. Woo! Mix it. Alright, next. I got my same teaspoon here, and I've loaded up with some vanilla extract. This should suffice. So I'm gonna go. Whew! Smells like vanilla. And we're gonna start mixing once again. That seems good. Now, we have some flour over here. This flour is about 52 grams. So we're just gonna add it in here. Start the mixer. Lastly, we have some whipping cream or some heavy cream. They're both the same thing. So we're just gonna slowly pour it in there. Are you following how simple this recipe is? Because that was just like cheese, sugar, salt, teaspoons, and that's just about it. So this is pretty easy. Looks pretty smooth. So smooth that I would put sunglasses on it. I don't have sunglasses, and batter, frankly, doesn't need sunglasses. What are you thinking? This is baking pan, and I've lined it with parchment paper, you know, that sort of thing. Make sure it's lined with parchment paper. You know, all the sides are covered. We're going to be pouring all of this into all of that. And well, that's all there is to it. And now it goes in the oven. It's been 1 hour, and look what's come out. Looks pretty dark, but I think it's the magic of it. You can take a look at that. It smells really nice. Alright, so we got the cheesecake back here. It's cold. We've cut a little slice on. Look at that. Look how it looks. Whoa, smells interesting. Alright, I'm gonna go in for a bite. Whoa, it's soft. Let's see how it tastes. It's burnt. If I had to give this a rating, this is world splitting. I need to go in for another bite of this. It's actually good. Like, I'm not joking. Thank you for taking a look at this. Don't forget to share the video, leave a comment, also subscribe.